Top 5 hotels in the world. 1. Four Seasons Resort Bali at Sian, Indonesia. Located amidst the lush rice terraces of Ubud, Bali, the Four Seasons Resort Bali at Sian offers an unparalleled blend of luxury and natural beauty. The resort is celebrated for its stunning infinity-edged pool overlooking the Ayam River, where guests can unwind amidst the serene surroundings. Accommodations include spacious villas and suites designed in traditional Balinese style, featuring private plunge pools and expansive views of the jungle or river. Dining options range from authentic Indonesian cuisine to international dishes crafted with locally sourced ingredients. The resort also offers a variety of wellness experiences, including yoga classes overlooking the rice paddies and rejuvenating spa treatments inspired by Balinese traditions. 2. The Ritz-Carlton, Kyoto, Japan. Nestled along the banks of the Kamogawa River in Kyoto, the Ritz-Carlton combines traditional Japanese design with modern luxury. The hotel's elegant rooms and suites are adorned with contemporary Japanese artwork and offer panoramic views of the city or river. Guests can indulge in authentic Kaiseki cuisine at the hotel's Michelin-starred restaurant or enjoy a traditional tea ceremony in the tranquil garden. The Ritz-Carlton Kyoto is also known for its exceptional service, with personalized experiences such as private tours of nearby temples and gardens conducted by knowledgeable guides. The hotel's serene spa offers a range of treatments inspired by ancient Japanese rituals, providing guests with a truly immersive cultural experience. 3. Singita Sabi Sand, South Africa. Singita Sabi Sand offers an unrivaled luxury safari experience in the heart of South Africa's Sabi Sand Game Reserve. The lodge's exclusive accommodations include private villas and suites overlooking the savannah, each designed with contemporary African decor and featuring private plunge pools. Guests can embark on daily game drives led by knowledgeable guides, offering the chance to spot the Big Five and other wildlife species in their natural habitat. In between safaris, guests can relax at the lodge's Infinity Edge pool, enjoy a gourmet meal crafted from locally sourced ingredients, or unwind with a massage at the on-site spa. Singita Sabi Sand is committed to conservation and community empowerment, with initiatives aimed at preserving the region's wildlife and supporting local communities. 4. Four Seasons Hotel Georges V, Paris, France. Located just steps away from the Champs-Élysées in Paris, the Four Seasons Hotel Georges V epitomizes Parisian elegance and luxury. The hotel's historic building houses spacious rooms and suites decorated with exquisite French furnishings and featuring marble bathrooms and stunning views of the city's landmarks. Guests can dine at the hotel's 3 Michelin-starred restaurants, including the acclaimed Le Cinq, which serves classic French cuisine with a modern twist. The Four Seasons Hotel Georges V is also known for its lavish spa, offering a range of indulgent treatments and wellness programs. With its impeccable service and prime location, the hotel provides guests with an unforgettable experience in the heart of the City of Light. 5. Suniva Jani, Maldives. Set amidst the pristine waters of the Nunu Atoll in the Maldives, Suniva Jani offers a luxurious retreat with its overwater villas and unparalleled views of the Indian Ocean. Each villa features a private pool, slide into the turquoise lagoon below, and a retractable roof for stargazing from the comfort of your bed. Guests can enjoy personalized dining experiences, including private beach picnics and gourmet meals served under the stars. The resort also offers a range of activities such as snorkeling among vibrant coral reefs, diving with manta rays, and sunset dolphin cruises. Suniva Jani is committed to sustainability, with initiatives aimed at minimizing its environmental impact and supporting local communities through education and conservation efforts.